Flashcards Set 3. Air, land, and water. Animal body parts. Animal sounds. Human body parts. Air. Bird. Hot air balloon. Airplane. Kite. Butterfly. Helicopter. Hang glider. Land. Grass. Car. Snake. Tree. Bicycle. Cow. Flower. Water. Scuba diver. Octopus. Dolphin. Fin. Feather. Hump. Trunk. Claw. Mane. Shell. Antenna. Tail. Antler. Beak. Ear. Horn. Wing. Paw. Fur. Oink. Pig. Bzzz. Bee. Neigh. Horse. Hee-haw. Donkey. Coo. Dove. Quack. Duck. Woof. Dog. Moo. Cow. Baa. Sheep. Meow. Cat. Squeak. Mouse. Howl. Wolf. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Rooster. Roar. Tiger. Hoot. Owl. Hiss. Snake. Nose. Forehead. Eyelash. Lips. Eyebrow. Mouth. Nostril. Neck. Ear. Face. Heel. Toe. Eye. Tooth. Hair. Tongue. Chin. Shoulder. Arm. Elbow. Chest. Back. Hand. Finger. Thumb. Nail. Leg. Knee. Waist. Stomach. Foot. Ankle. Illness. Hospital health. Weather. And natural disasters. A rash. A backache. A runny nose. A cramp. A headache. A stomach ache. A cold. A cough. A toothache. An earache. A fever. A sore throat. Hospital. Doctor. Thermometer. Wheelchair. Nurse. Medicine. Syringe. Ambulance. Sunny. Rainy. Hot. Stormy. Cloudy. Cold. Snowy. Windy. Avalanche. Earthquake. Forest fire. Drought. Tsunami. Tornado. Flood. Volcanic eruption. Family, occupations, and hobbies. Mother. Father. Son. Daughter. Grandmother. Grandfather. Brothers. Sisters. Aunt. Uncle. Baby. Parents. Cook. Doctor. Teacher. Engineer. Policeman. Fireman. Soccer player. Artist. Reporter. judge, mechanic, farmer, computer programmer, driver, pilot, musician, carpenter, coach, tailor, lifeguard, vet, photographer, electrician, cashier, dancing, painting, reading, running, cooking, singing, fishing, cycling, camping, photography, watching TV, gardening, swimming, skateboarding, traveling, doing exercises.